Students of 9th A class, parents are also requested to come on the stage along with their child. The medal holders from 9th A class are Mohammad Sohib, Angel, Suryansh Nair, Gautam and Kartik Thakur. Sohib, Angel, Suryansh Nair holders of 9th A class. And from the same class, silver medal has been bagged by Ayan Chaudhary, Sachi Katna, Subhay Singh Sandhu. Ayan Singh Sandhu, these are the students who have secured their silver medal from 9th A class. Michelle and Aditya Gautam. Achievers of 9th A class, Hansika, who have secured the bronze medal, Pranvi Sharma have secured the silver medal, and Riddhima Diman have secured the gold medal in special achiever category. We have definitely worked hard along with them, worked hard to set a goal for them, to set a aim for them and achieve it. So parents are also requested to celebrate the joy, celebrate the achievements of the students, please. Students with bronze medal. Sonika ma'am to honor the students with bronze medal. Mohammad Sohib, Angel, Suryansh Nair, Gautam and I request Shri Arvind Kumar sir to honor the students with silver medal. Arvind Kumar sir to honor the students with silver medal. Ayan Chaudhary, Sachi Katna and Subhay Singh Sandhu. Michelle and God bless you. But remember one thing, nobody is going to give you anything. Nobody is going to give you anything. You have to earn. Whatever you want, you have to earn it. Nobody can give. Remember these little things and imbibe these things and take the notice of these things. Congratulations to all. We do not face some failures. We do not face things and learn a new thing every day from every aspect. Now it is the time to call the top 10 students of 9th B class. Top 10 students are who have achieved their bronze medal: Arnav Raj Suman of 9th B class, Akanksha Thakur, Soumya and Kashish Chauhan. These are the students who have achieved the bronze medals of 9th B class. Silver medalists are Varsha of 9th B class, Ishita Verma and Samiksha. These are the students who have achieved the silver medals of 9th B class. Gold medalists are Gauri Sharma and Arpit Sharma. Gauri Sharma and Arpit Sharma have achieved the gold medal from 9th B class. The special achievers of this class are Komal Sharma, who have achieved the bronze medal, and Ritesh have achieved the silver medal, and Sejal Jaswal of 9th B have achieved the gold medal. Please come on the stage to accompany the students. I request Shri Sandeep Kumar sir to honor the students with bronze medal. Kashish Chauhan. Silver medal. Shilpa Rana ma'am to honor the students with silver medal who have been achieved by Varsha and all the students who are being honored for your hard work, your perseverance, your commitment and your continuity and your consistency in learning. To honor the students with gold medal of 9. तू अपनी अलग पहचान बना, याद है किसी को? तू अपनी अलग पहचान बना, भीड़ में चल। These are the students who are setting the goal for others as well. Now this is the time to know the top 10 students of